Hello students, good morning. Okay, it is your economics period, chapter 2, people as resource, topic human activities. You know that human being perform different type of activities. Few activities related to earn money and few activities related to pleasure out of love and compassion. In this topic, we shall study the different activities of human being like economic activities and non-economic activities. The activities performed by a person may be divided into two categories: economic activity or non-economic activity. Now first we study about economic activities. All the activities those are performed to get an income. The income thus received is used to buy things to satisfy human want. Person done economic activity that help to get an income, and each and every person to satisfy his or her wants, they buy different type of things from that money. A farmer works in his field, a clerk works in an office, and nurse attend to patient in hospital. A teacher teaches in his school, a carpenter makes table and chair, a cobbler makes shoes to get an income. Therefore, they are performing economic activity. In this way, we find that all these persons are involved in the activity from which they earn money to satisfy their wants. These type of activities known as economic activities. Economic activities related to money. Economic activities related to money. Either earning money or spending money. Not only earning money is economic activity, but spending money also economic activity. We done different type of activity to earn money, and with the help of money we purchase different type of goods and materials to satisfy our needs. In this way, earning money and spending money both related with economic activities. In economic activities, production, exchange or trade and consumption, all three involved. Production refers to the operation by which all type of goods and services produce. प्रोडक्शन का मतलब है जो डिफरेंट टाइप के गुड्स हैं, मटेरियल्स हैं, उनका प्रोडक्शन होना, या डिफरेंट टाइप की सर्विसेज हैं, उनका भी प्रोडक्शन होना, और उसको इस योग्य बना दे कि वह ह्यूमन नीड सेटिस्फाई करने की उसके अंदर कैपेसिटी हो। इस तरह से जो है एक्टिविटी ऑफ फार्मर्स producing rice, wheat, sugarcane. Workers in a factory, manufacturing class, etc. are considered as production of goods. Exchange or trade. You know that the things those are produced, it is sell in the market through different ways. In this way, exchange or trade means purchasing and selling of goods and services, also economic activity. Exchange implies buying and selling of goods and services. Today, producers produce goods so as to sell them. Consumption. Consumption means use of goods or materials or services by the people, and those use all these goods and services known as consumer. When people use goods and services, goods and services, it is called consumption. जब लोग गुड्स और मटेरियल्स और सर्विसेज का यूज करते हैं तो हम इसी को कंजम्पशन कहते हैं. कंजम्पशन आल्सो इन्वॉल्व इन इकोनॉमिक activity. After then, we study about non-economic activities. Non-economic activities means the activities done by human beings which are not related to earning money. Non-economic activity means all the activities those human beings perform, but they are not related to earning money. These activities performed by person for pleasure, out of love and affection, are out of pity. ऐसी गतिविधियां ह्यूमन बीइंग के द्वारा जो पैसा कमाने के उद्देश्य से, अर्निंग के उद्देश्य से नहीं की जाती, बल्कि वह प्यार, दया, अपनी खुशी, प्रसन्नता के लिए की जाती हैं, तो ये सब नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज होती हैं. एनी एक्ट which is not done for money. Any act which is not done for money is a non-economic activity. कोई भी वर्क जो धन कमाने के उद्देश्य से नहीं किया जाता, उसे हम नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी कहते हैं. A musician who sings for his pleasure only and for which he not paid anything is not performing an economic activity. A musician who sings for his pleasure only, not for payment. In this way, he not performing an economic activity, but he perform for their pleasure. But when the same musician sings at a function and receives payment, he is performing an economic activity. A student who plays cricket for his own pleasure a teacher who teaches his own son or daughter, a mother who nurses her child out of love and affection, perform activities not for earning money. एक म्यूजिशियन जो अपनी खुशी के लिए म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट का यूज करता है, तो उसका जो वर्किंग है, एक्टिविटी है, उसे हम इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी नहीं कहेंगे। लेकिन वही जब कोई फंक्शन में जाता है, वहाँ अर्निंग करता है, तो उसकी इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी होगी। एक स्टूडेंट जो क्रिकेट खेलता है अपने प्लेजर के लिए, इंटरटेनमेंट के लिए, या एक टीचर जो अपने खुद के बच्चों को, अपने पुत्र और पुत्रियों को पढ़ाता है, या मदर अपने बच्चों की देखभाल करके डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ एक्टिविटी करती है, तो इन सब जो ये सब एक्टिविटीज हैं, अर्निंग एक्टिविटीज नहीं हैं। That is why these activities are known as non-economic activities. There are three types of economic activities. There are three types of economic activities: primary economic activities, secondary economic activities, and tertiary economic activities. First we study about primary economic activities. When we produce goods, to understand all these, we need to understand about what is production of goods and what is the production of services. Goods have to be produced before they can consume. Production of goods. Goods have to be produced before they can consume. All those who help in making of goods and services are known as producer. Production of goods refers to the operation by which goods are produced. Goods means different type of goods like edible things, clothes, automobiles. All these things are production of goods. You know that farmers produce different type of crops. All these crops also are goods, and production of different type of useful material in factories are also the production of goods. But the work of a doctor or a teacher or engineer, those provide their services. Those provide their services only, not they provide any type of goods. These activities like medical treatment by a doctor, coaching by a teacher, services of a tailor, transportation, postal services, courier services, telephone booth, etc. are considered as the production of services. All they provide their services, but not they provide any type of goods. All these type of services considered as production of services. Now we study different type of economic activities like primary economic activities, secondary economic activities, and tertiary economic activities. When we produce goods by exploiting natural resources, it is an activity of primary sector. जब हम प्रकृति में उपस्थित होकर के अपना वर्किंग, अपना प्रोडक्शन करते हैं प्राकृतिक चीज़ों का उपयोग करके, तो इसे हम प्राइमरी एक्टिविटी कहते हैं। सिंस मोस्ट ऑफ द नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट्स वी गेट आर फ्रॉम एग्रीकल्चर, इस तरह की एक्टिविटी जैसे है एग्रीकल्चर, डेयरी, फिशिंग, फॉरेस्ट्री, हंटिंग। In this way, we produce goods by exploiting natural resources. This sector is also called agriculture and agriculture related sector. Mining also is related to primary sector. In this way, agriculture, dairy farming, fishing, poultry farming, pottery, all these activities are primary economic activities. Secondary economic activities, primary goods are used to produce some other commodity manually or by machines. Means the things those are taken from primary sector, utilized as raw material to produce useful commodity, maybe manually or machines, and they also have capacity to satisfy human needs, are known as, and the people those are involved in all these activities is known as secondary economic activities. These things may be made in a workshop or at home. Such activities falls under the secondary sector. As the product are manufactured, this process is called manufacturing. As this sector is associated with industries, it is called industrial sector also. सेकेंडरी सेक्टर में प्राइमरी सेक्टर से जो कुछ गुड्स सामान लिए जाते हैं उसका यूज एज रॉ मटेरियल के रूप में होता है, चाहे वह सामान हाथ से बनाया जाए या मशीन से, घर पर बनाया जाए या किसी फैक्ट्री के वर्कशॉप में। इसको हम मैन्युफैक्चरिंग भी कहते हैं और इसी सेक्टर को हम इंडस्ट्री कहते हैं, जहां पर सामान को रॉ मटेरियल का यूज करके बनाया जाता है, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेक्टर या इंडस्ट्रीज। इट इज कॉल्ड इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टर आल्सो। सेकेंडरी इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी मोस्टली इन्वॉल्व टू इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टर। द थर्ड एक्टिविटी is tertiary economic activities. These economic activities provide service, not produce any kind of goods or material, but this sector provide its services to other sectors. These are activities that help in the development of the primary and secondary sector. यह सेक्टर यानी टर्शियरी सेक्टर जो होता है इसको हम सेवा क्षेत्र कहते हैं, जो अपनी सर्विस प्रोवाइड करता है। इससे प्राइमरी सेक्टर और सेकेंडरी सेक्टर का डेवलपमेंट होता है। These activities by themselves do not produce goods, but they are an aids of or support for the production process. वैसे तो यह सेक्टर किसी तरह का प्रोडक्शन नहीं करता है, लेकिन यह प्रोडक्शन में हेल्प करता है. फॉर इंस्टेंस, sugar cane is required to produce sugar. Sugar cane can be transported from field to market and factory by truck or other means of transport. आप जानते हो, अगर शुगर बनानी है तो शुगर मिल के लिए रॉ मटेरियल के रूप में शुगर केन की जरूरत पड़ती है. तो यह शुगर केन उस फैक्ट्री तक कैसे आएगा? आप जानते हो कि उसके लिए ट्रांसपोर्टेशन की जरूरत है, और वह फील्ड से, खेतों से ट्रांसपोर्ट करके फैक्ट्री तक लाया जाता है. इसके बाद मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस के द्वारा शुगर बनाई जाती है. आफ्टर देन प्रोड्यूस शुगर सेंड टू द मार्केट विद द हेल्प ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. इन दिस वे transport not produce any goods, but it provide its services in the production of sugar. Such activities like transport, storehouses, banking, communication, insurance, etc. are called tertiary activities. All these institutions or business houses not produce anything, any goods, any material, but they provide their services for primary sector and secondary sector. These activities are called activities of service sectors. These activities are called activities of service sector because they generate services for the other two sectors. In this way, we have studied about all the economic activities and non-economic activities. These activities done by human being. In this way, your class is over. Thank you.